Playing with worms is really fun!
Don't you dare touch me! Stand back!
So in this video, I will teach you a very simple mechanics for the giant doom worm. It's very easy, guys. You can do it. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And please like and share the video.